Ever forgotten that crucial Wi-Fi password you connected 2 weeks ago? I'm here to show you how to easily retrieve it directly from your computer using the command prompt. First, let's open the command prompt. The quickest way is to click on your start menu and then type CMD into the search bar. You'll see command prompt appear in the search results. Now, we need to run command prompt as an administrator. Once you see command prompt in the search results, right-click on it and select Run as administrator. This gives us the necessary permissions to access system information. You might see a user account control prompt asking, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click Yes to proceed. Inside the command prompt window, we'll start by listing all the Wi-Fi networks your computer has connected to. Type in the command that shows all wireless network profiles and then press Enter. You'll see a list of network names, also known as SSIDs, that your computer has previously connected to. Now, we need to find the specific network for which you want to retrieve the password. Once you've identified the network you're interested in, we'll use another command to display its detailed information. Type in the command that will show the properties of that specific network, replacing the placeholder with the exact network name you found in the previous step, and press Enter. Among the displayed information, you'll find a line that says key content or something similar. This is the stored Wi-Fi password for that network. You can now easily copy this password to reconnect or share it with others. And there you have it. You've successfully retrieved your forgotten Wi-Fi password using just a few steps in the command prompt. It's a handy trick for anyone who frequently connects to different Wi-Fi networks.